Using science to deconstruct your favorite Ninja Warrior obstacles.
Okay, I see you, Science Ninja!
What is up, everybody, and welcome to the first ever episode of the ScienceNinja Series. My name is Mitchell Vitapo, the Science Ninja. I'm a 3-time competitor on the TV show American Ninja Warrior. I'm a Vegas finalist, and this series is going to just be kind of a creative project of mine. My phone out of my pocket, because today we are looking at the classic American Ninja Warrior obstacle, the warped wall. I am here at Apex Climbing Gym. This is now the Apex Ninja Lab, where I am going to be conducting many of my scientific experiments. And today, our first one is going to be the warped wall. So we're going to look at the science and the physics behind conquering the warped wall. Alright, so in order to understand the science of the warped wall, I'm going to be using a free physics application called Tracker. The link will be posted in the description below. But it's a free video analysis tool that allows you to look at a video frame by frame and break down the physics and calculate things such as velocity and position and acceleration of a mass, in this case myself, going up the warped wall. Alright guys, so this is really cool. As we break it down, what you'll see is the blue arrow is my acceleration during each step, and the red arrow is my velocity. So you can watch how each one of those changes at every single frame as I go up the warped wall. Also, it's cool to watch the graphs on the right. The top one is plotting my velocity over time in the x direction, or horizontally, and the bottom one is plotting my velocity in the y direction, or vertically, over time. Alright, let's watch this again, but this time, really watch the graphs on the right. As you'll see, as I get closer to the wall and have been running farther, I've built up more x velocity. I'm running faster, and that makes sense. And right here at the base of the wall, I hit my greatest horizontal velocity. And then, within 2 steps, I've transferred that momentum and I hit my greatest vertical velocity. I'm able to use that to keep driving up the wall and reach all the way to the top. It's all about creating momentum running towards the wall and turning that into momentum running up the wall. So does that mean the secret to the warped wall is running headlong into the wall as fast as you can? Well, not quite. And we can prove that with a little thought experiment. If we assume that our horizontal momentum is perfectly conserved into our vertical momentum, and using the equations of motion, we can find out that if our wall is 14.5 feet tall, we need an initial velocity at the base of the wall of 20.8 miles an hour. And that sounds doable, right? Except, if we look at Usain Bolt's world record pace in the 100-meter dash, we see that he doesn't hit that speed until about 20 meters out. That's over 65 feet, which is much further than the run-up for the warped wall. Does that mean that all ninjas are superhumans? Well, yes, but not more so than Mr. Bolt. So really, the secret to the warped wall is all about acceleration and continuing to accelerate with each step up the wall. And I can show that if we watch the breakdown one more time. This time, follow the blue arrows which show my acceleration. Particularly, with each step on the wall, you can see my acceleration driving me further up till I reach the top. Alright, so we see the warped wall is really all about the conservation of momentum. It's about generating momentum into the wall and then using those 3 steps on the wall to transfer that momentum into a vertical momentum that'll drive you on up the wall. Additionally, it's about acceleration. You need to continue driving with each step until you reach the top of the wall. So anyways, I hope this video helped. I hope you learned something. I hope it was fun. Again, this is kind of just a creative project for me. If you did enjoy it, please let me know. Like it, comment, whatever you want to do. But just give me some sort of feedback. I hope to continue making more. And thanks for watching the ScienceNinja Series.